Hi, are you here for technology? But this is not about tech. It's about cultural shift, bringing together people, data, and processes. It's about the challenges along the way, which makes the journey unique. It's about thriving, progressive, and intelligent tomorrow. And we will be there to jumpstart your enterprise transformation. We are Kellton, exploring infinite possibilities with technology for you. So reimagine your business, connect your systems, and double the impact. The systems that will accelerate outcomes on your terms and on your timelines. At Kellton, we deliver a complete suite of SAP S for HANA migration and implementation solutions. Armed with new insights from SAP, organizations can boost innovations, drive new revenues, streamline operations, and manage risk. SAP recognizes Kellton's significant contribution towards delivering integrated solutions and stellar outcomes for our clients. We know the future will be very different, which is why we need to start shaping it today.